Before the real fun begins, please bear with me as we watch the mandatory pre-flight safety video. And on behalf of all of us at Aris and Miller Flight Station, thank you.
Prepare to board the EOX-4 quadcopter drone. When the doors open in front of you, please make your way to the loading area. Before taking your seat, store all carry-on items in the compartment provided. Loose footwear is not allowed on this experience. Long hair or loose clothing that may extend below the seat must be tied or stowed. Guests who have a fear of heights or are prone to motion sickness should speak to an operator. Supervising companions must be sat next to the guests they are accompanying. Each companion may accompany up to 2 guests. Fasten your seatbelt from left to right. For passengers that do not reach the blue line on the seat back, place the buckle through the white loop located in the center of the seat. Then, fasten the seatbelt. When instructed, pull straight up on the red tab to ensure the seatbelt is buckled. Please keep the red tab visible so our operators can confirm the seatbelt is secure. Once the doors open, please make your way to the loading area. Thank you for watching this instruction and mandatory safety video.
Auxiliary power activated. Welcome aboard rotor 952. This is your captain speaking. Set vision deck to pilot position. Prepare for a blackout as we divert power to the EOX-4 and fire up the engines. Okay, ground Alpha and Bravo engaged. Tower, we have information, Juliet, and are ready for departure heading 270. 10-4, prepare to spool up prop Charlie and Delta. All right, motor start complete. Set vision deck to launch position. Rotor 952, you are clear for remote launch. Full power transfer achieved. Docking ring detached. We are clear for takeoff. Control, Niner 5-2, heading back to base. Seeking permission to dock.
Roger that, Niner 5-2. Please stand by.
Standing by.
Order Niner 5-2. You are cleared to dock in Bay 1.
Copy that. We got the traffic in sight. We're on short final. Hey, I hope you all enjoyed your flight. Don't forget to check out the Wild Arctic Adventure Trail to see some animals up close. Okay, prepare for lights on. Welcome back to base. Thanks for riding along with me. Be sure to grab your belongings and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Miller Flight Station. Have a good one.